Learning and playing piano scales is an essential part of piano education and technique development. Here are some steps to help you learn and play piano scales effectively. Understand the basics. Familiarize yourself with the concept of scales in music. A scale is a sequence of notes played in ascending or descending order, following a specific pattern of whole steps, W, and half steps, H. The most common scale is the major scale, which follows the pattern WWH, whole half. Start with C major. The C major scale is often the first scale taught to beginners because it consists of all the white keys on the piano, making it easier to visualize and play. Practice playing the C major scale with both hands, ascending and descending, until you become comfortable with the fingering and the sound. Learn the fingering. Each scale has a specific fingering pattern that ensures smooth and efficient execution. Look up the recommended fingerings for each scale you want to learn. For example, the right hand fingering for the C major scale is usually 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 C D E F G A B C. Memorize the patterns. Scales follow consistent patterns based on their type, major, minor, harmonic minor, etc., and the key they are played in. Practice identifying and memorizing the patterns of each scale you want to learn. This will help you play scales fluently in any key. Practice slowly and gradually increase speed. Start practicing scales at a slow tempo, focusing on accuracy and proper finger placement. Gradually increase your speed as you become more comfortable and confident. Remember to maintain a relaxed hand position and use proper technique. Play scales in different keys. Once you've mastered a scale in one key, start learning and practicing it in other keys. Use the circle of fifths as a guide to progress systematically through different keys. This will help you develop a strong sense of key signatures and broaden your understanding of music theory. Practice regularly. Consistency is key. Set aside dedicated practice time for scales in your piano routine. Regular practice will help you internalize the patterns, build muscle memory, and improve your overall piano technique. Combine scales with other exercises. As you progress, incorporate scale exercises into your practice routine. For example, you can practice scales in thirds, in contrary motion, playing with both hands in opposite directions, or in arpeggios. These exercises will further enhance your technique and dexterity. Remember, learning scales takes time and patience. Be persistent and practice regularly. Over time, you will develop greater finger agility, technical proficiency, and a deeper understanding of music theory through scales.